Street. All units, please respond. Shots fired.
Take a look around me, taking pages from a magazine. Been looking for the answers ever since we were 17. You know the truth can be a weapon to fight this world of ill intentions. New answer to the same question: how many times will you learn the same lesson?
I'm seeing little ones try to rap. They reppin' T-Town, saying bang bang like they broke a black. Your mama's worried, better call her back. That private education wasn't meant to make you slack. I wanna face the ones who really got it. I'm talking real like a starry night with Halley's Comet. I know it's hard when my thoughts are Paul and Nostradamus, but that's okay, I'll find someone that got the balls to comment. Now why you lying about the shit you say? Ain't gotta fake it's heaven sent, I got the skills to play. So quit you joking about the dope and all the guns you spray. You in the big leagues now, boy, I make you break. I'm thinking pretty boy just stole the cake. I told your girl I got a girl, so go and masturbate. Woo! I guess it's time to set the record straight. Zacky's on the track, he's making moves to rep the 918.
Yeah. Okay, these people talking shit like I'm the asshole. They swear to God it's real, then where the fuck you at though? They trying to give me some advice I didn't ask for. Tell the class I'm putting numbers on the blackboard. Yeah, I guess we're all here for a reason. Others try to change and drop you like a different season, but I can tell you right now exactly how I'm feeling. Where the fuck the money at, that's all I'm really needing. Hey, I can skip class like a space bar, but I'd rather hit delete before the day starts. She say I'm too much of a joker like I play cards, but it's all love, I'm about to rain hearts. But it's T-Town, got you praying like your Tebow. Music got me feeling magic like I'm Victor Oladipo. Stop saying that you're straight from the cut like an emo. I keep it 100, bitch, I'm Curry at the free throw.